Almost by definition, disruptions are unexpected. The second decade of the 21st century will probably be remembered as the AI disruption era. This AI disruption creates enormous challenges for developers who try to handle it. Deep learning is a data-driven, black box, sometimes unexplained programming model. Companies and developers still struggle to build meaningful, large AI projects. Expectations are high, but solutions are narrow and fragile. Servo bot automation platform introduces a framework that enables developers build enterprise-grade AI projects. It is based on a proven visual language used in gaming AI, enhanced to orchestrate deep learning models, bots, and general-purpose automation. Servo accelerates and stabilizes AI development, relying on a set of 4 modern engineering principles: modular architecture, visual design, open code, and reusable AI. Let's look at Servo by creating a simple bot, which serves 2 common banking requests: wire transfer and checking account balance. First, we'll see the development environment and work through building a tree for the bot. We use behavior trees, which are heavily used in gaming AI. We extended them with proprietary algorithms that were created to support human interaction. We believe they will be the standard in general AI, too. We will show how our algorithms can detect conversation context. Servo is the first, and to date, the only platform that can do that. It also enables automated entity mapping. Again, no one else has done that before. But we didn't stop there. We wanted this to be a real, robust and scalable development system, so we added support for all industry practices, like object-oriented extendability, a visual debugger, standard version control and more. As we went through all that, our tree is almost ready. Its left side deals with wire transfer, and its right side checks the balance. For wire transfer, we ask for the amount. For balance, we demonstrate a sentence with hard-coded data. Servo enables easy orchestration of machine learning classifiers. Here we add a natural language classifier from wit.ai, which will apply to the whole tree. We could also mix and match different models for different contexts, allowing a new level of intelligent automation. Now, let's test our new creation. For testing, we'll use a Facebook chat client. Voice clients behave the same, since the audio stream is transcribed into text. Here, the recognized request activates the left side context, and the ask and wait action asks for the amount. But the user suddenly wants to check account balance to make sure there are enough funds. Watch what happens. The system recognized that this is a different conversation and switched over. Once that exchange ended, it switched back. Now, do you see how the number we've entered appeared automatically in the response? This is what's called automated entity mapping, and is very important for any conversation. Developers using Servo receive it out of the box. Behavior trees are aimed at creating complex AI. In order to allow easier scaling complexity, Servo comes with a debugger and a simulator. On the left pane, you can see the debugger. We'll use the simulator on the right to interact with the bot. We'll set a breakpoint and then step along the tree. See how we can watch the context entities change. You can use subtrees to encapsulate different modules. One of the subtrees supplied out of the box is a learner module. If the user intent is unrecognized, the bot would ask the user to clarify and retrain the NLU with the results. Here, the user used a slang phrase to ask for the balance. The learner subtree responded, understood the user's intention, and presented the requested result. From now on, similar phrases will be understood. Servo supplies many more features to accelerate development of automation and bots. First, it's very easy to add logic into the trees. In fact, that's one of the strengths of behavior trees. On top of this, you can easily access external databases, invoke server-side rendering of images filled with fetch data, support native formats, and more. Last but not least, should you want to code some new actions, just follow the good old object-oriented paradigm, derive from action, implement one function, and you are done. If you'd like to hear more, shoot us an email at beta@servo.ai. See you soon.